Welcome back to my YouTube channel Mohammad Afzal. So let's start the video how to make money in gaming. 11 proven ways 2023. Here we shall walk you through 11 ways you can get paid for playing your favorite games. Is it possible to make real money playing games? The answer is yes, absolutely. The global video game market is a multi-billion dollar industry supported by billions of players and hundreds of thousands of employees within this huge economic sector. There are many ways to make money from home. Ahead, you shall earn 11 ways you can get paid for playing games, including methods that do not require tech skills as well as ones that leverage technical know-how. But first, let's start by looking at the bottom line. How much can you make playing game? Can you really make money playing video games? To appreciate the profit passion in gaming, consider the size of the video game industry. The global video game market was valued $195.65 at billion in 2021, on track to increase at a compound annual growth rate CAGR of 12.9% from 2022 to 2030, according to a report by market analysis firm Grand View Research. The money you make gaming can vary. To start with the best case scenario, consider the story of Eric Braun, developer of Stardew Valley. Braun originally had no intention of pursuing a career in gaming. He only started developing video games to keep his coding sharp so he could impress prospective employers. He became best with perfecting Stardew Valley, often working on it 80 hours a week until his girlfriend dragged him off the computer. His hard work paid off. The in-game quality Stardew Valley was an instant hit upon its release in 2016, and by the next year it had raked in $34 million. Brown soon had to hire staff to help him support millions of players. Not everyone will achieve Brown's level of success, but his story illustrates that can earn a good living in gaming. To take another example, Vice actress Elspeth Estman, known for voicing Tristana in the game League of Legends, get paid to stream live videos of herself gaming because she has hundreds of thousands of followers advertise their willing to pay her for partnership, and she also earns commission for paid custom subscriptions. While she has not disclosed their income, publicity analytics estimate that she earns as much thousand dollar as a month from Twitch subscription, at as much as 2021 a month from dollar from her YouTube channel. In addition to her regular income as a voice actress, of course, you are probably not a famous voice actress, and we cannot guarantee you shall achieve the same income levels, at least not without a lot of hard work. But you can use simple strategies on a similar scale to add your current income or transaction into earning a full-time living from video games. How much you can earn depend on which method you use and how you approach it. Hope so you will like my video. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.